This video tutorial I will explain what are the key documents associated with software development lifecycle phases. The software development lifecycle is a structured framework that guides software development projects from conception to launch and beyond. And SDLC ensures high quality, efficient software creation within budget and time constraints. Here you can see different SDLC phases: planning and requirement gathering, design and architecture, development and implementation, testing and quality assurance, deployment and maintenance. Next we will see what are the key documents associated with each phase. First one is planning and requirement gathering. Now we will see the key documents associated with this particular phase. The first document is project charter, which defines project goals, scope of the project, stakeholders involved in the project, and high level requirement of the project. The second document is feasibility study, assesses the technical, economic, and operational viability of the project. Third one is business requirement document. This document outlines the functional needs of the software from a business perspective. The second one is design and architecture phase. We will see the key documents associated with this particular phase. The first one is software requirement specification. This is the technical document which outlines functional requirement and non-functional requirement. The second one is system architecture document which defines overall system design including hardware, software, network infrastructure and data flow. Third one is user interface wireframes or mockups. This contains a visual representation of software's user interface layout and functionality. Third one is development and implementation phase. We will see the key documents associated with this particular phase. The first one is source code, the actual programming code that makes software function. The second one is unit test plans and results, documents detailing the testing strategy for individual code modules. Third one is integration test plans and results, documents outlining the testing approach for ensuring a seamless integration between different software components. Fourth one is testing and quality assurance phase. We will see the key documents associated with this particular phase. The first one is test plan. This is the comprehensive document which outlines overall testing strategy including types of testing, functional, non-functional, etc. And also it covers testing procedures. The second one is test cases which covers specific test scenarios designed to verify the functionalities and identify potential defects. Third one is defect tracking log which records identified bugs, their severity and their resolution status. Fifth one is deployment and maintenance phase. We will see the key documents associated with this particular phase. The first one is deployment plan which outlines strategy for releasing the software to the production environment. The second one is release notes which documents new feature, bug fixes and known issues in the deployed software version. Third one is maintenance plan which defines strategy for addressing post deployment issues, bug fixes and future enhancements. It is important to note that the specific documents used may vary depending on the chosen SDLC model and the development team's preference. However, these documents serves as a foundation for effective communication, collaboration and quality control throughout the software development lifecycle. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.